Thanks for watching another van tour video. We're gonna pick up where we left off, touring the 2024 Coachmen Beyond on the Ford Transit chassis 22D. This is the twin bed rear dinette variant of the very popular Coachmen Beyond base Class B RVs. We're picking up with Nick from Sunshine State RVs. We have just finished the interior tour. We're talking about the Ford Transit cab, and we're gonna spin outside and give you a tour around the exterior of this awesome camper van. If you haven't seen the start of this video, that'd be part one. That'd be the interior tour. You'll want to go back. We'll put the video right here for you, so you can go back and look at that. And if you have not seen the tour we did with Nick at Sunshine State RVs, which compensated me in no way for this video, we toured the same floor plan on the Coachmen Nova. That's a ProMaster-based chassis, and same floor plan, the 20D, because the ProMaster is 20 feet in length versus the Transit being 22 feet in length, so you don't want to miss that video either. Thanks for watching.
But both these seats swivel. You do have another table leg here that you can use. And then this is the new ProMaster. So this has that nice
Transit.
This is the new Transit. This has that nice big screen. It has the adaptive cruise. It has it has everything, the USB ports up there, everything that the newest Transit comes with. This one has blind spot assist, so some really nice safety features, as well as comfort things.
Yeah, for sure. A little bit of storage up here too is really nice.
This is where you store maps, Scott.
They still have those?
I don't know.
I haven't seen a map.
I've not seen one of my kids looking at maps. I will tell you that.
Right? Pretty cool, right? Just again, I'm really impressed with the Coachmen products. It's they do a great job.
Yes.
Nick's doing a great job. Give him a thumb up too.
We're the #1 Coachmen dealer in the entire United States.
See?
We sell more Coachmen Class Bs than anybody else in the country.
So this is where you want to come for your Coachmen.
100%.
Want to show us around outside? Because there's some cool stuff out here.
I'd love to. Before we jump outside, check this out. And this is cool. This is a double handle. I call this one the Nick handle because I requested to have this handle in. We were buying this handle and installing them ourselves. And then the guys at Coachmen, I think they copied me. I should get like a nickel every time you sell one of these.
Commission.
A little commission, right? But since we sell more than anybody else, it's fine. But nice screen. It's a nice big screen. It's sealed shut. And when you don't want it, it's out of the way. It's not there all the time.
Yeah.
I just think it's such a good, just out of the way.
Yeah, it's just, they're really well done. Nice, again, padded vinyl, beautiful. You don't know you're looking at a bathroom when you step in because it looks
100%.
like a closet, residential. All right, what's going on outside?
So nice big sliding door. I'm a big fan of the slide. Let me turn the engine off so that way we're not hearing it. So nice big sliding door. I love everything here is made in America. They're very proud of that. It's a big deal to the guys at Coachmen. They talk about it all the time. Nice big sliding door. The Ford Transit chassis kind of has a little bit bigger of a look. It's 22 feet long. It has the dual wheels. It's a little taller. Now this is an all-wheel drive, Scott. So when you're talking about the capability of being able to be off-road, overlanding, whatever, all-wheel drive lets you get places that rear-wheel drive will not.
100%.
So very nice to have the all-wheel drive option.
Yeah, and front-wheel drive for that matter. Big awning up here.
Nice power awning with LED lights. You have 110 plugs here, so that way when you are camping on your campsite here, you can have a table, plug things in. I personally have plugged in like a griddle. I can fry some eggs out here, a George Foreman, do some burgers, and get rid of the fat. The fat just kind of slides off it, Scott. It just, you put the burger on there, you close it, and the fat just leaves. It just makes burgers healthy, who doesn't
In
want
case this RV thing don't work out, there's late night shows that are dedicated to
to the George Foreman.
The George Foreman.
So Coachmen does something very cool. They add sumo springs to every van that they sell. The Galleria, the Beyond, and the Nova. They all get their suspension upgraded. So they're not just kind of settling with what's offered.
Super Springs is the company that makes the sumo springs.
That is correct. Super Springs, sumo springs. So you didn't really see it from this angle when you were here, but this is kind of the angle of storage.
Really amazing.
So we have, this is the stuff you're going to use. So you can store it in here. This is all part of the van. But there's storage here. If I was to personally camp in one of these vans, I would buy a box for the back doors, and I would put it on there so I can store some of this stuff on that box.
Cables.
Look at this, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Nice screen there. There are some pockets
Oh, yeah.
No less than 20 times have we gotten phone calls from customers the day after they bought their van or the first night and say, I don't have any shades for my back. I don't have any shades. And we say, open the back doors, stand there, and look all the way up, and you'll see them. They said, oh, I didn't see that.
I didn't know that was there.
So, and some people says, I can't reach it, Nick. But the shades, the screens for the back door shades are up there.
So if that's kind of hard to get to, you just
Well,
put
you
them
just
down
obviously
here.
stand here and
Yeah.
do it and move them.
Yeah.
But it's nice. They don't want to waste space, right? Nothing is wasted.
And this is beautiful here.
Yep, this is an ABS plastic with insulation. So this is fully insulated doors.
Nice. And these are
Those are speakers.
speakers.
Yep,
so we
for
come
that
with a sound system
JBL
inside.
sound
Wow,
system.
That's beautiful.
So there again, if it was me, I would put a box on here and a ladder and a spare tire holder. Do you know a company that makes those?
Rover Vans.
Rover Vans. They make a cool one, I heard.
That's what's on the back of my van. I love it. It's been a game changer. Bike rack too.
So I did bring these out for a reason. Couple things. This is the area that everything is. So Coachmen kind of hides most of the stuff in
see, that's
this
nice.
little box here, which I like.
That's nice.
Your city water, fresh water, black tank flush, and cable hookup are all kind of hidden in this box. So you really, you know, it just kind of
A little
sits there.
cleaner,
It is very clean.
but at a good height, as you always like to say.
Yes.
And it's outside, so you're not having to do this with your doors open.
100%.
which I really appreciate.
100%.
Now,
So
what is this bad boy?
this is a shameless plug for Sunshine State RVs. One thing that we do when you buy an RV from us is we teach you how to use your RV. So we either deliver for free to your house or we do a virtual walkthrough, or if you come here, we fly you here and we have one of our technicians teach you everything there is about your van. One of the most important things he's going to tell you is you take your smart plug and you plug it in. But listen to the snap. You hear that?
Yeah, that's pretty
Once that snap happens,
legit.
you know you are in and you are not coming out. So this thing is so tight in there, you cannot, Scott, try and pull that out.
Look at this.
I mean, you
I'm a
cannot,
little nervous.
you cannot.
Oh, it's
I mean, that
pretty
thing
solid.
is in there.
Yeah.
And what happens is it locks in. When you have a plug that's not completely in, you are arcing in there and you're causing sparks. You're also not getting clean, consistent power to your system, which is a huge, both of those things are
Not good.
huge problems.
Not good.
So we get calls from campgrounds all the time about issues. Now, when you're done, you press both of these, and you just pull it right out. Very easy. So it goes in and it clicks, you just pull it right out. So Corey, one of our technicians, will teach you how to use your RV, and he'll teach you how important it is to plug, but he'll also teach you everything about your van. But what's cool, Scott, you were there yesterday. We put you up at a campground for the first 2 nights, and you stay 5 minutes from us. If you have any issues, we are right there to help you with all
So
of those
nice.
issues.
Smart plug.
Smart plug, big
And
fan.
Down here, it looks like we have hose storage for sewer.
Hose storage, propane fill.
Propane. And this is kind of interesting. What is, so this is where you fill it.
That's where you fill it.
And this is where
That's
you,
a plug so you can have like a little propane grill out here.
with its own separate on-off switch. And this is for the propane on or off system wide.
Correct.
That is really nice. And dually wheels. So this is pretty, why is this important?
So dual rear wheels, a few reasons. A, for towing. For towing, it gives you a little more towing capacity, 5,000 pounds. B, for stability. When you're kind of driving, it just kind of gives you, you know, that extra stability on there. And this is a little taller of a vehicle, so they want to make sure that you are very stable when you're driving down the interstates.
Yeah. I see some low point drains here. That's cool.
Yeah.
Speaking of drains, what are we looking at?
So first thing here, this is a solar extension. So if you wanted to add more solar, you can. I think you can add an extra, you know, couple 100 watts of solar, put it out here and help charge your batteries. But this, I'm a big fan of this thing here. This is the spray port, so the outside shower. It comes with this here. So what you would do is you just plug it right in, and you have a hose now. So this is your outside shower.
Sure.
Very easy to use. It can move around, and it's so conveniently located right next to your tank flush, your tank dump. So if you're dumping your tank and you have a Robin Williams experience, like in the movie RV, you have a hose to clean it up and the mess. But the other thing, Scott, you mountain bike. You told me you went on a bike ride this morning.
Lovely.
You come in, bike's all muddy, you got a hose to rinse it off.
Your bike, your shoes, your legs.
And your dog, anything.
Cool off your spouse if they're kind of hot.
There you go. Well, my wife is always hot, Scott, so.
No doubt. Putting up with you would make people hot.
No, she's hot like good looking, man. Come on. She is good looking.
Yes, she is.
But This is very convenient. I love the way it fits. I love how it just stores in there. You grab it, hook it up, instant. You're not twisting and doing all this stuff. That is the black tank and gray tank all in one.
It's all in one, so that's nice.
Yes, very nice. So you just pull and it dumps, very nice. As we, something Ford does, they give you this little keypad thing here to where you can leave your keys in it. Your spouse can have your key. You walk up, you do it, and you can open.
That's kind of nice. Can't lock yourself out.
You cannot lock yourself unless you don't know the code.
True.
Li3, that is Coachman's lithium system. That's the Lithionics, 630 amp hours, 3,000 watt inverter, all of that good. Now, Scott, something pretty cool. They're offering a double lithium system. So now we can do 1,260 amp hours of lithium batteries.
Holy cow.
That's the most I've heard in any Class B van.
That's incredible.
Insane. Insane.
It's really nice, just clean on the outside. If you kind of compare them with this, I'll close this door quick. And we're going to talk about the chassis differences in just a second. But again, this isn't quite as clean because of the automotive windows here.
Yeah.
But you get these beautiful tip-out windows over here. So I'm glad we have these side by side.
Yeah. Last thing. Buy Xenon active high-performance headlights.
What is that?
Oh, dude, game changer.
Really?
Game changer. It is so bright when you're on a dirt road or you're at a harvest host where it's pitch dark and you're trying to find where to go. Bright as can be, helps you find where you're going. It also, they move with you when you're turning. So if you're turning somewhere, it is moving with you and helping you see your blind spots. And when they are on, they are bright as can be. There's also fog lights down there, parking sensors. I mean, this Ford Transit chassis really is phenomenal.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nick, just thank you so much.
Yeah.
Where can people learn more about you folks?
Yeah, so on this video, obviously, this is where we talk about them, but sunshinestatervs.com is our website. That is where we have all of this. We have a YouTube channel as well that does some of these van tours. But you know what? We fly you in, we pick you up at the airport, bring you here, teach you how to use the van, put you up at a campground for a couple nights, and tech support the whole time you own it. Something, Scott, that's pretty cool that we do that's different than everybody else. Our customers, we give them a guaranteed service appointment within 5 days. Guaranteed. So you're never more than 5 days from getting your RV fixed. And that tends to be a problem in a lot of other places all around the country. And we also deliver free anywhere in the United States. So very large selection of Class Bs here. But if you're in New Mexico and you don't want to come here, we'll ship it right to your front door.
Front door. And what brands do you folks carry? We've been talking about Coachmen today, but you have more than one brand.
Yeah, Winnebago, Road Trek, Coachmen, American Coach, 27 North, Dynamax, all different types.
Storyteller coming soon?
Storyteller is coming here in the next couple weeks. We will be carrying the whole Storyteller line. We even ordered a Hilt. That's that huge expedition truck.
No way.
Yes, very, very cool.
So Sunshine State RVs is in it to win it.
Yes,
so win your business. Yeah, they just do a great job here. And thank you for the $1 million you paid me for this video.
Yes.
But seriously, these guys are just a class act. And vans are really all you do. So they are really the experts.
100%. That is all we do at van. We're number one in the state of Florida, number 3 in the whole nation for Class B vans.
Beautiful Gainesville, Florida.
Yes.
So Nick, just thanks again for your time, man.
Yeah, man.
And reach out to him, tell him Scott sent you, and we'll see you down the road.
There you go.